Today I'm making picadillo. Mexican picadillo is usually made with ground beef, tomatoes, carrots, potatoes, and peas. To give it more flavor, I'm going to start off by charring 3 Roma tomatoes and 2 cloves of garlic in a dry pan. We're just going to let everything sit for about 3 minutes on high heat, then, using tongs, we'll flip everything. Have a little laugh when your tomatoes start dancing. Continue flipping until everything is nicely charred all over. Then transfer everything into a blender. We're also going to add a quarter of an onion, half a teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of oregano, quarter teaspoon of cumin, and an 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Blend this until smooth and set aside. Into a large pan, I'm using the same one I charred my tomatoes in. I'm adding a few tablespoons of oil, and once hot, frying half a diced onion until translucent and fragrant, before mixing in 1 pound of ground beef and a quarter teaspoon of salt. We don't need to fully brown this since it's going to continue cooking in the sauce, so a little bit of pink is alright. Now we're going to add in 2 diced potatoes, 2 diced carrots, and a half cup of peas. I'm using frozen. Give this all a quick mix before adding in all the tomato sauce. I'm also adding in about half a cup of water because I like mine with a little more liquid. Add a cube of beef bouillon for extra flavor. Taste for seasoning, adding more salt if needed, then cover and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Picadillo is really versatile. You can eat it with rice and beans or put it in tacos or gorditas. Today I'm making tostadas with mine. Onto a tostada, I'm adding some mashed avocado and lightly seasoning with salt. Then I'll add some picadillo, top it with shredded lettuce, queso fresco, sour cream, hot sauce, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.